When someone approaches the crosswalk, most people don't even notice it, but I think you tend to look for direct eye contact with the driver. Understanding what happens when someone goes to make that brief glance and there's no one there has been a critical part of what we're looking at. It can be a very scary, shocking moment to not understand who has the right of way because they don't know if they should walk or let the car go, and there's no way for them to communicate what they want to do. Our study has been specifically looking at this sort of interaction and how the car can communicate what it's going to do when there's no one inside to say, hey, go ahead. I'm Maddie. I'm a junior this year studying product design. I was part of the Surrey program, which is specifically the undergrad research program for the mechanical engineering students. I looked into a lot of the different mechanical engineering labs and found that at the DesignX group, they had a human robotics interaction group that focused on communication, and I thought that it sounded like a really fun group, and when I went in to meet with them, they were so welcoming and excited to have undergrads for the summer. This is actually the car we were using behind me. It's our autonomous vehicle for this study. It was definitely cool to be in the lab and be working on this project, but then I would say that the other thing that surprised me was just how much I was able to be involved with all of the other research groups that were also in our building, because I would be a participant for this study, or I would help with video coding for something for Ford, or I would get to go visit Nissan's headquarters for a project that we're now starting for this school year. And just having close relationships with faculty members and postdocs in my lab, people that could potentially write future letters of recommendation and continue to work on projects with me, and it's just been a really welcoming environment. And then beyond that, it's definitely been helpful to have such an interesting project to have on your portfolio. It's such a great conversation opener to gauge how other people feel about this technology and have them all ask me, when do I think that all of the cars will be autonomous? Because I think that's really what everybody wants to know.